the images in your Mail app don't load, fix it with these 8 tips. Restart Wi-Fi connection. Click on the control center icon and select Wi-Fi. Turn off your network connection. Now restart your Mac and turn on Wi-Fi again. Quit the Mail app. Click on the Apple logo and select Force Quit. Select the Mail app. Click on Force Quit and confirm the action by clicking on Force Quit again. Check Mail privacy settings. Open the Mail app. From the top menu bar, click Mail and select Settings. Choose the Privacy section. Uncheck the box next to protect mail activity. Then, uncheck Block all remote content. Close the settings window and open the email again. Turn off iCloud Private Relay. Click on the Apple logo and select System Settings. Choose your Apple ID name and click on iCloud. Then, click Private Relay. Next to Private Relay On, toggle the slider to turn off. Confirm the action and click on Done. Check Download Settings. Open the Mail app. From the top menu bar, click Mail and select Settings. Go to the Accounts section. Next to Download Attachments, click on the drop-down menu and select All. Re-add your Mail account. Open the Mail app. Select Mail from the menu bar and click on Settings. Go to the Accounts section. Select your account and click on the minus button at the bottom. Now click Internet Accounts. Scroll to the bottom and select Delete Account. Choose to keep a copy or not and click on Continue. Then go back to Mail Account Settings, click on the plus icon, and add your account again. Turn off antivirus software. If you have an antivirus program turned on, it might be why the images get blocked. The program protects your Mac by blocking images from unknown senders. Turn off your antivirus and check if you can see the pictures. Update Mac OS. Open the Apple menu and click on System Settings. Go to General Settings and click Software Update. And if an update is available, click on Upgrade Now and follow the process. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.